This is Dr. Kaloy, your eye doctor. There are a lot of patients subong that I see who is complaining of eye redness. So, mostly there are students, call center agents, gapa-check up sa akon. Now, there are a lot of reasons nga aga pula or nga aga red ang eyes, but the most common nowadays is conjunctivitis or sore eyes. No? There are three causes ng conjunctivitis or sore eyes. May ara kita. One, it's viral conjunctivitis. Number two is bacterial conjunctivitis. And number three is allergic conjunctivitis. Each of these has symptoms and signs nga ma-differentiate ang isa kag isa. So most often, kung viral, wala kayo muta, gamay lang muta, more siya appearing, usually very red. Sometimes may ara siya nga ginatawag nato nga subconjunctival hemorrhage. Pero minimal ang iya nga muta. When we talk about bacterial conjunctivitis, there's redness and the presence of eye discharges. Medyo madamol ang iyang eye discharge, mostly kung morning. The third one is an allergic nga conjunctivitis. Usually exposed ka sa allergens which might cause itchiness. So ang iya nga hallmark is makatulgid. Although ang three kinds of conjunctivitis may a little bit of itch nga mga symptoms, but most often may ara nga distinguished gid nga ma-differentiate mo ang isa kag isa. Now the treatment for each of this is lain-lain man. Now when we talk about viral conjunctivitis, it's self-limiting. You treat it, or if you don't treat it, maayo lang siya. That's why there are some they put in medications nag-ayo daw, but basically it could be viral nga infection nga maski wala nila nabulong, nag-ayo man siya. The problem with viral infection is superimpose dayon ang bacterial conjunctivitis or magmuta-muta na dayon. And when we talk about bacterial conjunctivitis, naga-treat na kita sila with an antibiotic and anti-inflammatory. When we talk about allergic conjunctivitis, it's actually identifying the cause kung naan nag-allergy siya, trying to avoid that, and also giving anti-allergy mga eye drops. It's important for you to have your eyes checked, especially when you have an eye redness, because not all red eyes are infectious. That's why hindi ka man mag-share sa imong mga bulong sang ginhatag sa imong mga doktor, sa imong mga family members or friends, because base ang ilang eye redness is different from what you are experiencing. So hopefully you learned a little bit of eye health today, and hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye!